and welcome to Anshika's Talent Show. And today I will show you how to make a toy fish. So, which will be waving. I have took a paper of a chart paper size paper. There is no particular size of paper. You can take any size paper for making this fish. And a glue stick, pencil, eraser, sketch pen, a scale and a scissor. So we will take our paper first and fold it like this. Make your folds perfect so that your fish looks nice. Then we will cut the extra part. As both the sides should be equal. Now we will open it and then give it perfection. Okay, now this part, remember, don't throw this part away. Then we will use this part after we finish making this part. We will keep this side aside. Now this we will make it kite fold. The same over here. Now we will open these two folds and fold it like this again. Now I will take my pencil and my scale and draw a line. See, over here you will get one line which is your kite fold line. So till there you have to cut straight lines till this line. So this much triangle should be left in your paper also. So then if you can't do straight lines freehand, then you can draw the lines first with your scale and your pencil and then you can cut them. So we will start with the bottom. We will make little bit thick lines, not very thin lines. And remember, you have to make it till this line only, okay? Draw the lines and then cut it. It will be more easier to cut. So this line which we had drawn that you do not have to cut this line. Okay, now we will keep the scissors aside. We will open it, so you will get some cuts like this. Then you have to take your glue stick. We have to stick it like this so that it looks little bit 3D. We will apply glue on this side. Put a very generous amount of glue. And stick. Now over here, first you have to stick the tail. Then you can keep it like this straight and press it inside like this. Put your hand inside and just press it down. It will get stuck. So we have sticked this properly. Now we will take one flap from here and stick it above this. Okay. So now we will take our scissor again and cut from here a little curve for the fish mouth. Okay, now we have cut it. So now I think it is little bit longer, so I will cut little bit more from here. Okay. Now we will draw it. We will make its tail and 2 fins from here. So this part which was left, this fish we will keep it aside. Fish body we will keep it aside, and we will take this part which we had cut, and then we will draw. We will fold it like this, little bit of the part, and we will draw a half heart shape. Now we will make a heart shape, half heart shape, not a full heart. And cut it. Okay, so we opened and we got something like this. So I want a shorter little bit one. So this heart we will stick it over here. Now we will draw 2 fins. So the same part we have some space above, so there only we will draw. I think I need a bigger one. So I will cut it. Now I have drawn. Now I will cut it. So we get a fin over here. This side we will cut it like this. That's it. Now we will take the trace of it so that we get the same one. So now I have drawn the other fin also. I will cut it. So now we have both the wings ready. Now we will take our fish body again. And I will stick the fins over here. And remember, whichever side you stick, this side or this side, that fin should be front of that only. In front of that only. So we will stick it like this. I will take my glue stick. So same we will do as we stick the behind. We will put our hand like this and press it. So now we will take the trace of it, which is over here. I will glue this fin also. So it is like this over here. So I will stick it. I will put my hand inside and stick it. So our fish body is all done. Now I will take my ground, which we will make its eyes. We will make a trace with the pencil over here also. So I will make the trace of the other eye. Now we have made our two eyes. Now I will make some detailings in my eye. Now I have made my detailings of my eye. Now we will make the below part, which will be over here. So we will keep this fish body aside. Then measure the part over here in your fish body's middle line. You will get a middle line between both the eyes. So measure that. How many centimeters is that? So I will measure it with a scale, and it is 10.5 centimeters. So we will see 10.5 centimeters in this. Now it was 10.5, so we will make 10 centimeter. Like this, you have to take 10 centimeter, means half centimeter less you have to take. And like this, you have to take, you have to measure it like that also. From here you have to take 10, and from here also you have to take 10. And if you want, you can measure this part of the fish. So we will make some markings. And like this, mine is 10 only, so I will not make any markings. Now we will draw a semicircle. Make a semicircle like this and cut it out. So now I have cutted my semicircle. We will put this all aside and take our fish body and put some glue on this straight line over here. And stick it right here. So our fish mouth is also done. Now we will take our sketch pen and border this eye. Now I have done one eye. I am showing you the second eye. So first you have to trace your eye and then color the rest part. So our eyes are done. So see friends, our fish is ready and you can play with it anytime. See, it's so nice. See, it's so beautiful. So friends, you also make this fish and play with it. So if you like my video, please do like, share. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have not clicked the bell icon, please do click that bell icon.